Welcome to your online demonstration of Equivalent Data's web-based application NeedleFinder. The first screen the user will see is the decision window. On the left side of the screen is a list of custodians who are involved in this case. Along the top of the window are NeedleFinder's searching and culling tools. These tools are populated with the facts that have been extracted from the metadata contained in the evidence provided by these custodians. Decisions are made easily by selecting the icons and adding them to the decision window. For example, let's separate the potentially privileged communication these custodians would have had with an attorney who could have been giving them legal advice in a matter like this. Here's how you would do that. We are going to select the untagged category because all files begin their life in NeedleFinder as untagged. Next, we select Domains. When you click on Domains, you will notice that we pre-categorize communications based on 5 different filters. The internal domain filter contains the domains that the custodians would have used to communicate with each other. The law firm filter is pre-populated with over 35,000 plus known law firm domains. The spam filter is also pre-populated with over 550,000 plus known spam email addresses. The webmail filter contains the blind post office boxes from sources like AOL, MSN, Gmail, and Yahoo as examples. The other filter contains those items which could not be pre-populated using the other 4 filters. I want to clarify. As you see in the screen, the only law firms displayed are the ones that these custodians have had communications with and not all 35,000 plus law firms. In our example, the top 4 firms are the law firms that could have been giving our custodians legal advice in a matter like this. To do this, check the boxes of the domains and add them to the domain filter. Then we send this decision to the decision window. What we have on the screen right now are the direct communications that these custodians have had with those law firms. We may also want to include the indirect communications these custodians have had with those firms by including conversations in the decision window. And now we mark these 114 documents and move them into the privileged category. These categories are exclusive and a document cannot reside in multiple categories at the same time. Let's say that we wanted to initiate a linear privileged review at this point of the items that we just categorized. We would do this using NeedleFinder's review feature. We will now move the privileged documents to review. To do this, select Category, Privileged, and Add. Privileged documents are now in the decision window and ready to be moved to NeedleFinder Review. To do this, click the Send Documents to Review button. The documents have now been sent to NeedleFinder Review. What you are seeing is the Review Overview window. This window displays a summary of all actions performed in review. The Search window contains a wide variety of features. You may search by tag, category, file type, date range, and custodian are just a few of the many searching features. Let's send one of the custodian's documents to the grid. To do this, select Filter by Custodian, select Edit, and select one of the listed custodians, and select Update. Now select Send to Grid. You will notice that a document's metadata is listed in grid format. While in the grid screen, tagging, foldering, and searching can be done. A Sync to Preview feature is also available that allows the user to view documents using multiple monitors. In this next example, we will redact a TIFF image in linear review. To do this, we will send all of these documents from this one custodian to linear review. Select all results and send to linear review. Linear review gives you the ability to view metadata, tag documents using a wide variety of tagging features, and use an enhanced set of redaction tools. To redact an image, select Switch to TIFF Annotate View. And to view all redaction tools, select Edit Mode. In this example, we will use the Text Redact feature to redact this TIFF image. To save the redaction, select Save. I've shown you 3 features of this feature-rich application used today by corporations and law firms for e-discovery to process, analyze, review, and produce. Contact us today at 866-373-4674 to learn more about NeedleFinder. It's software built how you think.